So here, as promised, is a video of my new office. It's my desk and my daughter's desk. She shares the office with me. We have a nice window to give us some light. And we have a place for the printer and some little knickknacks and this huge plant that I'm not sure how to take care of, but it seems to be doing okay. A shelf for books and files and office supplies. A lovely star on my wall, which I really like. In the closet, we have a shelf with more knickknacks. And this is an old filing cabinet. I actually painted the drawers to match the wall, so it kind of blends in, which I kind of like. And over here, there's more shelving for books and other knickknacks and files that we need to keep. And yeah, so it's a small bedroom, but it works really well, and it's cozy and it's pretty and it's a pleasant place to work in. So it doesn't take much to make it nice and easy to work. I hope you liked the video. Hey, so here is my new studio. We'll start over in this corner. This is shelves for various craft projects, ribbons, glue, patterns. And this is my soccer ball wall I painted for my son when he was younger. And I don't want to paint over it because it took forever to do. So I'm going to do something with it to incorporate it into my studio. Over in this corner, in what used to be the closet, my son-in-law built me this awesome bench to keep my sewing machine on and my Cricut machine and all the various things you need for sewing. Underneath there's a pull-out drawers with scissors and different things you need for sewing. Here's another shelf, more sewing stuff, threads and buttons and things like that. Bookshelf for my painting books and patterns and knickknacks and mostly junk. A TV that I can hook up to my computer so I can see my reference photos a little bigger. My drawing desk and all the pencils and things I use for drawing. This bin contains my paints and I can move it wherever I need to have it. My big printer for making prints and my painting bench, and underneath there's storage for my compressor and things, extra used canvases mostly. And this chair is actually a bar stool. And I bought it because it's comfortable and I can adjust the height depending on what I'm painting. Over here I have a storage cabinet for my canvases that my son-in-law made for me. It's nice and sturdy and I can move it wherever I need to move it in the room, and the bench can hold my palette or anything I need when I'm painting. More storage drawers because you never have enough storage. Let's move this out of the way. More shelves that have colored pencils, gesso and other mediums, papers. And I'll pull this way, and I have more paper and sketchbooks, canvas boards, watercolors, and pastels. And up there is junk, basically. I also have this table in the middle of the room that I use for quilting or craft projects, or to lay out canvases to be gessoed or varnished. And over on the door, there is more craft storage. This is actually supposed to hold shoes, but it's perfect. The little pouches are perfect to stick things in. So there you have it. That's my painting room, craft room, a place where I can hide away and just do my thing. I hope you like the tour.